Hello students, this is chapter 3 from R.S. Agrawal, but in NCERT it is the chapter 2 and we will know factorization of polynomial. So this is the topic of the video. You are aware from factors and factorization from your earlier classes, but I remind it shortly. Factor: if Px and Qx are the polynomials and this polynomial divides Px exactly and remainder is equal to 0, then we say that Qx is the factor of Px. So we will know this with the example. Suppose Px is x square minus 4, this is Px, and if you divide this Px with Qx is equal to x minus 2. So x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2, you can write it x minus 2 and x plus 2 to this factor x square to this polynomial, and this divided by x minus 2 means you can write it in denominator. So this divide it exactly. So x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. It means Qx is the factor of Px. So these are you know very clearly. Now second is factorization. What about factorization? Factorization is, we will take an example to understand it. Now here you can write it x plus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. Factorization: suppose a polynomial Px is equal to x square minus 5y minus 5x plus 6. When you factorize, you will get the factors of this polynomial x minus 2 and x minus 3. So what the definition according to these factors of this polynomial? To express a given polynomial, this is our given polynomial, as a product of polynomials. These are the polynomials in the form of product. Each of degree less than, and you are watching that the degree of each polynomial is less than the given polynomial. So each of degree less than that of the given polynomial, such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree. Here you can't factorize these two factors anymore. So only this polynomial has two factors, and how many factors of a polynomial you can find out to watch the degree of the given polynomial. If it is of degree 2, the polynomial, then here only two factors will be, or you can say two solutions of this polynomial or two roots of this polynomial. If this is the polynomial of degree 3, then it has three factors or we can say it has 3 roots, 3 solutions. So here I am writing the definition and you know what according to definition. Factorization means a polynomial expressed DXPRE a polynomial expressed as the product of polynomials of degree less than that of the given polynomial. Means such that all possible factors in them, when you factorize the polynomial, all possible factors present there, you can't further factorize. So this is called the factorization. Now next, formulae for factorization. These are very easy, and in earlier classes you have learned these formulae. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now here a plus b plus c whole square. So you can write it a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In all the terms plus sign is there. Now these are the formulae based on cube. A plus b whole cube and here a minus b whole cube. So how to learn? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, and you can make other form of a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube. When you multiply 3ab in the bracket, you will get 3a square b plus 3b square a. So learn anyone from these two, you can change one another. Now similarly here, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, and you can make another form, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. When you multiply this 3ab inside the bracket, then you will get minus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Now next, a cube plus b cube. Here the separate terms have cube and here whole cube. These two having whole cube, and here a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So these are 3 terms and one term is negative, which is minus ab, and the formula for the a cube plus b cube, but minus is present in this formula, so don't forget. And here notice another main point, a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So sign are different. Here 3 terms, but one term having different sign, here plus and here minus, and this is a formula for plus, this is a minus, but opposite signs are there present. So don't forget, these are some points, and when you solve the questions and you applied this formula, you can learn easily. So So students, this is necessary to learn the formula and to practice more of the questions, so that the formula automatically learn to yourself. Methods of factorization. First is factorization by taking out the common factor, and second is factorization by grouping. So learn the first method with example. Suppose here a polynomial 16 a square minus 48 a b. So here by taking out the common factor, this 16 you can break it into 4, or you can directly here watching that this is 16, this is 48. So you can break it in prime factors, these numbers, then you take out the common factors, or otherwise you can use directly this is 16 and this is the multiple of 16, 16 threes are. So here 16 you can take common from the constant term, and these are variables a square and ab. Here the lower degree of variable is 1, here a square and here a to the power of 1. So you can take out a from these two terms, and no common factor you are seeing here. So put the bracket, the remaining part, here only a remain in this term minus, and here 16 threes are, so 3 and only b remain here, and these are the factors of this polynomial. You can't do factor anymore. So the factors of this polynomials are 16 a and a minus b. Now next, this is a method by taking out the common factor. Second, factorization by grouping. Take an example. Suppose here I am writing an example. Second, a square plus b minus ab minus a. When you can't take any common factor from each term, then we make groups so that we can take common factor and see how to do it. Make the groups. Here a square b. So this is, you can't take from these two terms any common factor. So take another number. Suppose you are making the group with a square and minus ab. So write these two terms together, a square minus ab, and here next plus b, and here minus a. So make these two groups, one is a square minus ab and second is b minus a. Now here you can take a as common, and in bracket you will get a minus b, and here no common factor except 1. So put the sign plus, or you can write 1, or no need to write 1, and write it in the bracket, the remaining part. Now here you can take a minus b from both the terms as common. So a minus b, and the remaining part here in this term a, and put the sign plus, and here 1. So these are two factors of this polynomial. So this is a method of by grouping. This is a factorization method by grouping. So these two methods we will use in the exercise 3rd A. Here I want to show once again how remainder is 0 by long division. This is x minus 2 is qx and x square minus 4 is px. So px divided by qx by long division. X and x becomes x square and this x multiplied by 2, so you will get minus 2x. Now change the sign, so this will cancel and here minus 4 and this becomes plus 2x. Now take the 2 to multiply it, so you will get 2x plus 2x and 2 to the 4 minus 4. Now change the sign and this will be cut, so you will get remainder as 0. R is equal to 0. You are watching that x minus 2 divides it completely, so remainder is 0. Therefore x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. Here change the sign, x minus 2. X minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. So this I want to check you that here x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. And students, x plus 2 also will be the factor of x square minus 4, but because I am showing that what is the factor, so a number which divide another number exactly is the factor of that number. Here x minus 2 divides x square minus 4 exactly, therefore x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. Now come to the exercise. Now this is exercise 3A and we will solve it by taking out common factor. Here 9x square plus 12xy. So first you see the constant numbers 9 and 12. 9 and 12 comes in the table 3. You can break it like 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. You can taking out 3 as a common factor and see the variables. Here lowest power of variable is 1 and which is the common variable x. So you can take out x from these two terms. So this is the way to solve this question. See other parts and do it solve in your notebook. Now you can write in product form and see the common factors 3 and 3. So take out 3 and here 3 and 4, these are not common. Here x, x. So this is x, this is x. You can take out x. Now remaining part in the bracket, this 3 and this x plus 4y. This is the factorization of this question, 3x into 3x plus 4y. Here no need to write in the product form, you can direct take out the common factor. Now second, question number second, 18x square y minus 24 x y z. Now break this constant number, so you can take out the common factor from the constant number. You can write it 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 3 into 3 into 2, and variable you can write it as it is, x square y. No need to write in product form, further product. Now 24, you can write it 3 8s are 24, x y z. Now see the common factor, this 8 you can break it 2 into 4. So you can write it in another step or you can take out from here. This 3, you can take out 3, and this 2 here you can write it 4 into 2. So 2 will be the common. Now see the variables. Here lower power of x is 1. So, you can take x as a common factor, y also common, and now write down the other part in the bracket. This 3 and here x you have taken out, so 1 x is remain here, x. This y you are taking, you have taken out, so no need to write here, minus, you break it into 4 into 2, so 2 is common and 4 is the remaining factor. Now x also taken out, y also taken out, only z is inside the bracket. You can write it 3 2s are 6 x y into 3x minus 4 z. Answer. Next question, third, 27 a cube b cube minus 45 a to the power of 4 b square. Now 27 and 45 comes in the table of 9. So you can write it 9 3s are 27 and 9 5s are 45. 9 is a common factor. So from constant term 9 is common. Now lower power of variable here a is 3. So you can take a cube or a to the power of 4, a cube as common, and see the other variable b cube, here b square. So you can take b square common. Now write down the remaining part in the bracket. Here 9 3s are 27, so 3 remains in the bracket, and a cube you have taken out, b cube here, and b square is as a common factor. So b is inside the bracket. Now put the minus sign, and 9 5s are 45. So write down 5 here, and a cube you have taken, so here only a you will write, and b square also taken out. So this is our answer. You can't further factorize it. 9 a cube b square 3b minus 5a is the answer. Question number 4, x plus y is common from both the term. So x plus y taken out, and the remaining part 2a from first term, put the minus sign, and 3b from second term. This is the answer. Next question. For question number 5th, 2x p square plus q square plus 4y p square plus q square. P square plus q square you are taking out common, and remaining 2x plus 4y. But students, you can take out 2 also common from these terms in starting. If you forgot to taking out 2 common, you can take in another step. So you can write it when you taking out 2 as common, 2 p square plus q square, and this becomes x plus 2y. So you can write like this also. You can take 2 common in first step. If you forgot, then you can take 2 common in second step. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Answer. Question number 6. Here a minus 5 and 5 minus a. So first you change this 5 minus a as a minus 5 by taking minus as common. So write down x a minus 5, and here when you taking out minus as common, so this becomes minus y, and here this is minus, so minus, this minus you have taken out, so this become plus and 5 become minus. So you can write it minus 5 plus a. In next step, x a minus 5 minus y a minus 5. you can write it a minus 5 in next step. Now a minus 5 is common from both the terms, so write down a minus 5 and here the x, and in second term minus y. This is the answer. Question number 7, here 4 and 6, so you can take out 2 as common from both these constant terms, and a plus b and a plus b whole square, there is power 2 and here 1, so you can take a plus b as common factor. Now remaining part in the bracket, here 2 minus 2 3s are 6, 3 a plus b, a plus b, you can write it like this. Two a plus b and 2 minus 3a minus 3b, open this bracket, answer. Next, question number 8. Here constant term 8 and 10, so you can take 2 as common factor and see the other part, 3a minus 2b whole square and 3a minus 2b to the power of 1, so you can take 3a minus 2b. Now write down 2 as common, 3a minus 2b as common, write down other part, here 2 4s are 4 and because power is 2, so 3a minus 2b remains in this term, minus 2 5s are 10, write down 5. Now open this bracket, 2 3a minus 2b, and this becomes 4 3s are 12a minus 4 2s are 8b minus 5. This is the answer. Now x plus y whole cube, and here x plus y, and this x you will take x as common, so write down x as common, x plus y as common, and remaining x plus y whole square minus 3 1x you have taken out common, 1x remaining here, so x and y, this part also taken common. Now open this x plus y, open this whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy using the identity of x plus y whole square minus 3xy, this is. Solve it, you will get x plus y and x square plus y square, subtract it, you will get minus xy, answer. See the question number 10. This is some different from the above questions. Here no such a factor which is common in each term, so you will make groups to take common. So you can make a group of these two, because this is x cube, this is x square, and 2 here, and another group of 5x plus 10. Now from these groups you can take out the common factor. So here x square, the degree which is lower, you can take common, and x is remaining here plus 2. See the other part, put the sign of plus, take 5 as common because 5 2s are 10. Now in the bracket only x is here plus 5 2s are 10, so 2. Now see the each term, x plus 2 is common, this is common, so take out x plus 2 as common, and in the bracket in first term x square is remaining, and in second term plus 5. This is our answer. So students, remaining question we will do in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.